Let me explain how lotteries and sports betting operate to you. It is a business in which the rich promise the poor millions. And then, excited by this promise, millions of poor people spend their money on lotteries and sport betting until the rich guys behind it have accumulated billions. When they have gathered this fortune, they use their algorithm to select one or two of the millions who paid them billions and then give them a few millions. The rest of the millions of poor people will now see them and get excited. And next time, they will spend trillions on lotteries and sports betting. And that is how the poor make the rich richer. Because you're more likely to be struck by lightning than to win in a lottery. I'll say that again so that it will sink into your head. You're more likely to get struck by thunder than to win in a lottery. Did that sink in? Even in America, one research shows that 80% of lottery tickets are bought by the poorest 10% of the population. According to the US National Bureau of Economic Research, 49% of those participating in lotteries and sport bettings have less than a high school education. Quit gambling and playing of lotteries today. If you're not following me, you may not see me again. If you're following me, congratulations. You're growing every day. I'll see you in the next one.